different ways to play D chord. You probably already know the first one, which is frets 2, 2, 2, and 0. I'm going to use my middle, ring, and pinky for this one. That's because the pinky is skinnier, so I can fit more fingers in that tiny space. Next, 7, 6, 5, 5. I'm holding those 2 5s with the index finger, like a baby bar. And this one's the most challenging one, but let's try it. 2, 2, 2, and 5. It's really handy to know different ways to play the same chord so that you can mess around with your ukulele. The Beatles' I Wanna Hold Your Hand intro goes from C to D. If you know that C is this way and we just learned D, you can slide. Mess around with all those 3 versions and find one that works for you, because sometimes this one, it's a little difficult. Subscribe for more ukulele tips and videos.